Today we are going to be learning about the human rights of education in other countries.
I know that in Haiti, over 50% of children went to school, but an earthquake happened and almost nobody went to school or had an education.
How can we help those children?
In these poor, non-educated countries, girls are far less likely to attend school than boys.
Rich countries fail to keep their promises for education to some of the poor countries.
Over 70 million children get no education from all around the world, such as Northeastern Africa, Haiti, and so many others.
I'm far less likely to go to school than he is because I'm a girl.
I have a chance to go to school because I am a boy.
With just a little help and love, these children can get an education.